Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your booking and linking your account to the PNR and mobile number so alerts reach you. Once linked, add or verify a payment method and keep a buffer amount that covers upgraded fare differences. Next, opt into the auto upgrade feature for the specific quota or class on your ticket. This activates the system to attempt upgrades automatically. Make sure notifications are enabled so you see status changes immediately. You now monitor how the system decides who moves up. It uses class, quota, and current charting status to pick passengers. Once done, check your waitlist position and expected fare difference, because the engine prioritizes based on those and any loyalty status you hold. Make sure to set a maximum spend or a decline threshold so the system won't pay more than you're willing to. If needed, adjust these controls before final confirmation to avoid surprises. You finish by confirming the upgrade when the system shows a new seat. View the updated ticket or SMS and verify coach and berth details. Once confirmed, remember cancellations or reverts follow policy windows and refund rules, so act fast if needed. If an upgrade doesn't occur, make sure your payment balance and eligibility rules still match. Once done, contact support with PNR and timestamps. One key tip: if the charge fails, check card limits and retry before charting closes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.